Hello guys, this is Deboville. Happy Tuesday. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy BNB Lion. I bought BNB Lion when the market cap was 80,000 US dollars. So guys, the current market cap is 358,000 US dollars. This coin is pumping 335%. So guys, you can watch my video on how to buy BNB Lion. So guys, this YouTube channel mentioned BNB Lion yesterday. Prophetic Insight, Pastor Gray. I think his name is Pastor Gray. He mentioned some dreams about BNB Lion. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy BNB Lion. So guys, you can buy BNB Frog. BNB Frog is blasting off, guys. You can watch my video on how to buy BNB Frog. So guys, I bought BNB Frog when the market cap was over 300,000 US dollars. The current market cap is 2.5 million. This coin is pumping 51.46%. So guys, if we check X, on X, you will get some detailed information about BNB Tiger. It's time to buy BNB Frog. Grab your BNB. Use our official DEX swap on our official website. So guys, you can use the DEX on BNB Frog's website to buy BNB. You just need to connect your wallet to buy. No spillage. Easy and fast. So guys, this is a new development. You can buy BNB Frog. Guys, you can buy BNB Tiger. So guys, if you have spare money, you can also buy BNB Tiger. The market cap is 36.8 million. So guys, this coin is down 0.49%. You can also watch my video on how to buy BNB Tiger. Guys, I discovered this coin from this amazing sister on YouTube. Our channel's name is Prophetic Intercession. She mentioned Crazy Lion. So guys, I bought Crazy Lion. The market cap is 32,000 US dollars. This coin is up 30.70%. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy this project on Pancake Swap. You can also swap BNB to buy these coins on Trust Wallet. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.